Hey, what's up my peeps? Just when you think you're done working on your car, you have more problems to fix. It looks like it snowed a little bit. It's very bright out here. I got the Escalade inspected yesterday, and then they told me that the left rear brake rotor was almost completely destroyed. So we just did this side. Now we have to do the back wheel. I'm gonna have to take that off, but I'm really getting tired of using that bottle jack. So we have to go to Walmart and get a shop jack so we can lift this up a lot quicker, because I just can't do it anymore. All right, so let's go do that. This is a cold startup on a 2002 Cadillac Escalade. Alright, we're here at Walmart. After this we need to go over to the Y, but first we have to get that shop jack so we can lift the car up. Two-ton, $32.97. That's a good deal. Let's get that one. All right, we got it. Here's the jack. Woo! Now we can do some maintenance. Alright guys, we're here at the Y. It's very cold and very windy, so I think we're just going to hang out at the Y today. Take it easy, lift a little, swim a little, play some basketball maybe. Alright, woo! There's Dan over there.
I had to get my phone.
What's up, Dan?
I'm cold.
Folks, we're going to hang out in the Y. It's
Hell
way
yeah,
too
dude. I'm here
way too
all
cold.
night.
I feel like doing some supersets today, so let's get in there, lift some weights, and then maybe we'll go down here and play some basketball later. What are we gonna do? Okay, yeah, today I'm gonna do supersets. So I'm gonna start out with hammer curls, and I like to use a lightweight. These are 27 and a half. We'll start with these. So I'll do 10 sets of 10 of these, and then I'll show you the other exercises as we go. You can do one arm at a time, like this, or I like to do both because it's quicker. That way you don't have to like alternate, and it actually saves a lot of time. Alright, that was 10. Okay, and then we move over to the tricep pull down. This one, you're going to want to focus on your form, proper form when you do this. Like a medium weight, not too light, not too heavy, so you can do your 10 sets of 10. All right, so you want your shoulders back, and when you pull down, you want to look up. Keep your elbows close, like this. 10 sets of 10 on that. And next we'll go over to the lat pull down. All right, so this is going to be the third out of this is a 3 workout circuit. We're going to do 10 sets of 10. So this will be the third one. When you pull down, you want to pull it all the way down to your chin and then back up. I lost count, so I don't know how many I did. Alright, so today, this is my first time doing this exercise. We're going to do the cable press. Okay, so it's like the bench press. You can do it standing up or on a bench, but what it does is gives you more travel with your arms, so you can actually build a wider chest by doing this. But you also want to continue to do the bench press to build strength. On this,
can I have your attention, please? Can I have Stephen and Ryan Drake please come to the front desk?
Okay, Stephen and Ryan Drake, you better get up there. I'll do 10 sets of these, and then we'll go to another exercise. We're going to do another another circuit of 3 exercises. All right, and then we'll stretch after that. So let's get into it.
How far do you want to bring it back? Like your elbows?
All right, so I'm trying to go back as far as I can, because what that's actually going to do is work your inner chest muscles more. It's going to spread your chest more and give you that wider chest that you want to get. So, and also crossing it, that's going to do more of your outer muscles when you do that. So, all right, these are the seated lateral raises. Is that what it was called? No,
Yeah. Well, yes. If you're seated, it's lateral. Yep.
Seated lateral shoulder raises, I think. That's the term. Anyway,
Yeah.
we're gonna use a light weight. These are 15 pounds. Then I'll do 10 of these, and then we have one more exercise after this. I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna do some shrugs. Okay, we're gonna do some shrugs for your delts. Okay. So I'll just use like a lighter weight. We'll do 90. Bring these over here. That was a farmer carry right there. Those are for a different day. You can do a pretty heavy weight for shrugs. So we'll do 10 of these, and then we'll just repeat the cycle for 10 sets. When you do the shrugs, make sure you keep your shoulders back. All right, that's important. Keep proper form. All right, so I'm going to finish this up, and then we're going to go do some cardio. Alright guys, that workout was a killer. I'm going to swim some laps and then I have to do a spin class. Alright, so let's get to it. We're getting it today, boys. I thought I was gonna have an easy day, but somebody roped me into doing a spin class. Thanks, Shannon. No, really, thank you, because I do need the cardio. So it's gonna be a fun class. Look, everybody's already in there, ready to go. Woo! All right, guys, that was a brutal spin class, but we got it done. I think that's it for today. Well, we made it, guys. That was a brutal workout. A lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. So it's time to end today. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you later, guys.
Whoa, I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face.